Hello everyone, welcome back to chapter number 2 of our Azure AI series. So in this chapter we are going to explore the overview of Azure AI. So in that we'll discuss what is Azure AI or Azure AI platform, then the different services offered in Azure AI ecosystem, the type of services such as Azure Cognitive Services, Azure Applied AI Service, then Azure Machine Learning, and finally the basic pricing model of Azure AI services. Now this chapter is going to be a little bit more theoretical side, but it's very important. Why? Because it will give you a foundation you need before we jump into the hands-on part. By the end of this video, we'll have a clear overview of Azure AI, what it is, the type of services available, and some basic examples. Then we'll start from the next chapter. We'll move to the practical side where we will explore each AI service one by one and integrating them with real applications through demonstration. So let's get started with chapter number 2, that is overview of Azure AI. So Azure AI is Microsoft's cloud-based AI platform that provides ready-to-use APIs, tools, and frameworks for developer and business to build AI-powered applications. What does that really means? It means the Microsoft Azure as a cloud provider gives us a complete set of AI services. With the help of these services, developers or business can simply consume the APIs, SDKs, and frameworks provided by Azure without having to build everything from scratch and create powerful AI-driven applications. So Azure AI covers almost everything, that is vision. This service like image recognition and object detection, speech, converting speech to text or text to speech, language, natural language, understanding, translation, and text analytics, decision making. This service for recommendation and even advanced machine learning where you can train, deploy, and manage your own custom ML models using Azure Machine Learning. So you can think of Azure AI is a one-stop shop for AI in the Microsoft Cloud. Whether you want to use pre-built AI models through the cognitive services or build and deploy your own models with machine learning. And the best part, Microsoft also emphasizes responsible AI practice, ensure these tools are built with fairness, transparency, and security in mind. So in that, the basic idea of Azure AI services, a complete platform to build, deploy, and scale AI solution in the cloud. So now that we understand what Azure AI is, let's take a closer look at the services offered in Azure AI ecosystem. So Azure AI is broadly divided into three categories. Number one, Azure Cognitive Services, Azure Applied AI Services, and Azure Machine Learning. So let's try to understand Azure Cognitive Services. These are the pre-built AI models that you can use directly through simple APIs without needing deep machine learning expertise. They cover four major areas. That is number one, vision for image recognition, object detection, face analysis, and many more. Then number two, speech. This is used to speech to text or text to speech and translate. Then number three, language. So natural language processing, and number four, that is decision. So this service for anomaly detection, personalization, and content modernization. So think of cognitive service as a plug and play AI models ready for integrations into your application. Then number two, Azure Applied AI Service. So these are the domain specific AI services built on top of cognitive services to solve more specialized business scenarios. For example, Azure Bot Service to build intelligent conversational agent and chatbots. Number two, Azure Form Recognition or Recognizer to extract structured data from forms, receipt, or invoices. And number three, Azure Cognitive Search for building AI-powered search experience in the app. And number four, Matrix Advisor for monitoring and detecting anomalies in time series data. So while cognitive services provide the core AI building blocks, then applied AI services combine those into a ready-made solution for real-world use cases. And number three, Azure Machine Learning or Azure ML. This is full-fledged machine learning platform for building, training, and deploying custom machine learning model at scale. It supports low-code, no-code tools like the drag and drop designer, code-first experience using popular frameworks than machine learning operations for production level lifecycle management of models. Azure machine learning is for teams who want to go beyond pre-built APIs and create their own custom AI solutions. And finally, the pricing model of those Azure AI services. So Azure AI follows a flexible pay-as-you-go model. Many cognitive services includes a free monthly quota. For example, the first 5,000 text translation requests are free. So beyond the free tier, you only pay what you use based on API calls, training hours, and resource consumptions. This make it easy for beginners to experiment at no cost and then scale up as need. So that's all about overview of Azure AI services. So I hope you have now got a clear understanding, basic concepts, the different categories of Azure AI services, the specific service under each category, and also pricing model. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video very helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And now stay tuned for the next chapter, because from there we will move into the actual implementation, where we will start picking up these services one by one, first looking at their use case and then integrating them with real-time applications and see how they work in real practice. So lots of exciting hands-on demos are coming up. And as I always say, keep learning, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a great day.